enjoy the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We no instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense.
In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories.
Pull it in. Quick bulletin we full it in. Yo Muffet, bring your bully beef in, we put it in. No man hide people. That one is a breaking news. At candy. So me sell it as so me get it. Me nah no baka thing. But guess what? The man them flicker tap back down a MoBay last night. Alright, you know a mad dog that a squash man. Top soldier, them man they used to chop a line from back in idea. Listen to me, no man, a straight to point me I get where me have and where me a dash out. Where me not have me, you see TV, alright. Where me have and where me have and where me not have. Bad, so stop walk around the car. Me I get the man them hot candy. No man, what wrong with you? Be wrong with you? Bad, so Bill. Alright, you poor no man, no mad dog man. Alright, remember you know a long time mad dog about you know. Me say mad dog. Me tell you who is mad dog. Mad dog is a mad dog. Him was the connect between St. Thomas that are out at east. Anything at east and west that are MoBay west. Him are the connect. Cause him used to step. Remember them in the story with mad dog man? Him used to step with G man them. You see me, so squash man know him long time. Them do song together. You see me? Alright, well I'm gonna look for your song and tell you no don't move. Alright. Him and Squash do a song named Temper Problem. It depends Squash Man Vivo. Squash featuring Mad Daago. Montego, but a mad dog. And Squash say yo, big up mad dog. And then mad dog now a beer man in a video. Loon tall up. You see me? And then mad dog him you watch a video, mad dog have a green and white polo shirt like. And he must say, yo, do I rise a bullpup? If you don't know any bullpup, that is a shotgun. You see me, them have the automatic bullpup. We carry 19 rounds. Shot, that's why them call it bullpup. You understand? And that mad dog rise. You see me, yeah, me have the video with the 3 people them. When me say, me have a video at 3 people get knocking up. Mad dog and 2 pilgrim get knocking up. Cool no man. And me this a tell you man, me menke look you understand me? Alright. Mad dog the take side in a sharp down and squash war Yeah man, him take side, you see me, and guess what now? At one point him broke Laba's foot Yeah man, him beat Laba's bad man. So I never know a first now here. Alright, look on that picture here. This a mad dog in a white shirt. So me no know what really they behind why mad dog get slapped. Me nah go talk when me no know. But anybody who know the badness make me know what Gwaan. You understand me? Yeah, because they serious. And me I tell you say people, the man them boxing mad dog head. And when you look, it's like a next man a run. And them run him down. And then one next man lie down. Me go tell you what them have on. Hold on. Don't move. Alright, me I watch your video now. You see a man in a black shirt and a man in a blue shirt in there. Me tell you, them they both. Alright, one in a blue shirt and one in a, and 2 of them in a black shirt. The one in the blue shirt and the jeans pants, and the next one in a black shirt lie down side of one another. And the next one now, like the blue shirt and the blue jeans, in the further from them. You see me? And like 2 of them, like them dead in a part in the road, like in a middle road, and it dark, and you have some people have some flashlight. You see me? A pine pan them. And me I tell you, the scene just gruesome and grimy. Triple knockings, yeah man. Squash top it is, top flicker. The man them bossy made. Now, me can't tell you if this connected to squash. Me can't tell you if it connected to Shabdan war, the old war. Cause bad to bad. Me hear about something where I go on one place named Bodil, you know. You see me? But me not really talk about it. You see me? So, me don't know if it's a new conflict a Gwaan are the whole war connected. You get me I say? Yeah. So it's just a little piece that me get. But hold on. Remember chatty about of? Him just picture me window and say, yo, girl, a big thing I want to be, a level people drop down there in a tree there, and me I say, Babylon, I'm not say, I hear don't blink that, side there. And him take it and cut, so him just link me and say, 11 people drop in a MoBay, in a tree there, a walk in a walk, and we don't know what I got. Look here now, man. Yo, bad so you see me run past, you see me I tell you. Alright, but that we get, so we still scour the landscape, and chatty Babylon get a one dumpling and fly off, so him never take his salt mackerel, so me know him more come back feed, so him have to give me news before he get it. What you think about? All who want to see video, it have got up on my Patreon WhatsApp. I can't put it nowhere else, and this so me have to put it. So if you want to join the Patreon WhatsApp, you have to join the Patreon, you have to subscribe. The link I got in the description, right under the caption of this video. You understand? And when you go onto the Patreon page, you're going to see, look for our WhatsApp Patreon notice. And there's a password, code word, and a number. You text the number, they're going to ask you the code word. And you tell them the code word. And then make you join the WhatsApp. If you join the Patreon and you have a problem, you can just email me or send me a message through Patreon. If you send me no other way, me name not gonna look on it. It name not gonna reach me. Alright. So at this one, I left it. Anybody else have nothing else on the at Candia, link me know what I go on. If me get nothing, me gonna bring on a part 2. So me could just say this a part 1 for now. Although me not put no part 1 today. Alright, look out now for the premiere of Dogs of War. Exciting series. The Liquor Blacks versus Duxman. Who bother? And me I tell you people, it worth watching. 6 episodes. You understand me? So look out for part 1 a morning. Alright? And then we have a next video, me see a pilgrim. I do some little thing, the most with the least. Me get the video from over my view, so me I go do a little thing pan that, and just give my little 2 cents tomorrow. So look out for that. Big up my view, same way. You know, I want Justice League. You understand? Anyway, them a G. Go. Walk good, stay out of trouble. Remember, do good and good will follow. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in trial in stories war. Well, you choose
I am Joy.
Pepper, you know the real G-thing, huh? How I grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buck, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy who not do that. Boy, who no can't tell with Jah, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know a wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption, I saw the ground rough, yeah. Power, married to corruption, criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, I see the said someone one head man will live long. Name one. Things forever bury with no done. Name one. One good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell with Jah. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know a wrong boy. Yo, now a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend them for door. None of that, you a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Bait of crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging. Oh, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, you will live in it. Death reach a do special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we full of, hey, how we know we friends back from the boy who no do that. Who no can't tell with Jah, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know who are wrong boy. Yup. Yo, a man better. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and four. Point it on him head back and four. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, yo, a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Women are bred from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said song. One wanted man will live long. Name one, brings a fella with no name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Can't kill with Jah on the back. Move from your soul, don't know where wrong go. Yo, a man better go. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and go. Point it on him head back and go. Pop off him strap on him friend him do. But none of that, none of that. Yo, you know the thing going on, set a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Boy, go man. To them pepper.